Here are the 3 furnace failures I see every winter. Number 1. A dirty flame sensor. The furnace lights, shuts off, and tries again because the sensor can't confirm the flame. Number 2. A pressure switch failure. Blocked venting, weak inducer motors, or water in the tubing stop the furnace from starting. And number 3. A bad igniter. When it cracks or burns out, the furnace won't light at all. These 3 failures cause most no-heat calls every single winter. Follow for more tactical HVAC knowledge.